Hello everyone, today we are going to see how to repair this writing pad. This is an electronic writing pad. We can erase actually using this button here. It is not working now. I have also replaced with a new battery cell, 3-volt cell. The number of the cell is CR1616. So there are totally 5 screws in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One for the cell. So this is how we have to remove the cell. This way. Let me check the voltage of the cell first. The voltage also seems to be perfect. There is some issue with the device, so I'll just dismantle this now. We'll check what is the issue with the device. So this is how we have to remove the frame. It is a thin film here and a small circuit. So let me check what is the issue with the circuit. We'll fix it now. Friends, finally I was able to find the issue. The problem is with the cell actually. Even if we purchase the same CR1616 cell from outside, it is not giving the exact voltage what is required. Here we need actually 3 volts in order to function this. This Chinese cell which comes with the tab, it is reaching around, let me connect this. .4 volts. So I'll be using this for now only for testing purpose. Let me connect this. So this way we have to connect it. Here the positive one should come outside. You should be careful with this lock here. Just press this lock gently so it will slide inside. So even if I write, so it is working now. So I have 2 more cells for testing. So I'll be testing that also. This cell over here, it is also a company made with name. So let me test the voltage of this. So friends, if you see, it is reaching only 3.5 volts. Sorry, 2.35 volts. So I guess that is the main reason it is not working. Let me connect this cell now. So I have kept it in the holder. I'll be removing this now. It is being removed. Let me connect this. It is connected now. Time for testing. You can see I am not able to erase. So I would suggest go for the same cell. This is the one which is working now. So try to purchase the same. Let it reach at least 2.4 to 2.5 volts. Thank you friends. Subscribe for more videos.